Hi guys, here's a video of a project that I did recently that I posted and I did not feel that it did well, so I'm posting it again. Please consider to like, share and subscribe this video so that my channel gets to be recommended to many people. So this is a coffee table. It's a DIY coffee table and I'm using waste material, and in this case I am using the tire, I'm using the wood, yeah, just tire and wood actually, and some glue. So to substitute glue you can use contour or any other type of wood glue that you have. It will produce the same result. So before going to the fundi, make sure that you have measured your tire so that they give you the correct base that you want, but you can also make it at home. So for me, I did not make it at home because I did not have the cutting machine to cut the round shape, and also I did not have the pieces of wood, so I decided to do it at a local fundi at a cost of about I think maybe 1,500 around there. I don't remember I paid how much because I took other things too and I negotiated for this. So please enjoy the video, and thank you so much for always coming to support me.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.